Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about what I think is super important, but we're not going to spend a ton of time on it. So it's going to be a pretty short, straightforward lesson because I think we've really been over it a lot, but I still think it's important enough to still be talking about, especially in a time like we are living in right now, where it's hard to have, and this is what the lesson is about, a positive mental attitude. PMA. Um, um, just just because of being cut off from social interaction, being cut off from our day-to-day lives, the inability to go to restaurants, go shopping, all of those things that, I can't speak for you guys that I definitely took for granted, um, have now seemingly been taken away from us, and even other, big things like our high school graduations, for some of us, and those sorts of things. Um, so I think it's really important to talk about positive mental attitudes, but also obviously um, in a workplace context as well. Um, because if you don't have a positive mental attitude, um, you're not going to enjoy your work at all. It's going to be much harder to um, be a high quality worker who produces, you know, a high quality service or good or whatever it is you do at your job. It's going to be harder to do that. And that ranges from, being an employee at Target to, your stocking shelves there to being a computer engineer. If you don't have a positive mental attitude, it's going to be harder to do those tasks. And it's really as simple as that. So really, really important stuff to have a positive mental attitude. But also, it's important to think about that if you don't have one of these, you got to remember that you spend when you're working full time, you spend a lot of your life. It's kind of sad to think about, but it's also the reality of the situation, right? You spend a lot of your life at work. And so if you're not positive and happy about what you're doing, that's going to spill over into your personal life and just your well-being. And that could really adversely affect um, your mental health. As simple as that. So pretty much all I want you guys to do for this assignment is answer these. Some of them are like complete the sentences. Some of them are just answer the question. What am I thankful for? Really basic stuff, right? My family, my dog, whatever. It doesn't have to be a super long response. Other people compliment me on my ability to do what. Something I would like other people to know about me is, and like some of these, like, if they're like the same thing, that's fine, because some of the questions are really similar, which I didn't like. So I'm pretty flexible about that. Um, I I feel really good about myself when blank, and something nice I recently did for someone else was blank. And so that's all the assignment is, just getting you guys into that positive mental attitude mindset.